Hi everybody, welcome to another episode here of our series Discover Perth. Today I'll be talking about a topic which is very important, and students, they always ask us questions about this: accommodation. Okay, so here at Stanley College you have two options in regards to accommodation for international students. The first one, it will be with a homestay, which it is living with an Australian family. The second option that we are here, and then I'm very happy to be here, it's our partner called Campus Perth. Campus Perth is located right in the city and has an amazing building, huge, which accommodates all type of students. We have approximately 52 different nationality mixes here at Campus Perth. So I'm gonna show you around, show you some important places. We're gonna show you some rooms as well, some options that the students have, and you can decide which one you're gonna stay at the end. Are you ready? Come with me and I'll show you around. So our first stop here at Campus Perth is gonna be at the gym. Look how massive this place is and all the modern equipment that they have available for free for all the students. The best thing is that they open every day from 7 o'clock in the morning until 11 p.m. So the students are more than welcome to join at any time. Welcome to the study area co-working space. So look how beautiful this place is. Here students, they have their private rooms where you can sit down with your students, have a chat, study, do all your assessments for your courses, schools, universities and everything. There is a massive printer here where students can have access to that as well. Alright, so now is the most exciting part. Today we're gonna show you two different rooms. Keep it in mind that here at Campus Perth, you have 5 different rooms, but today we're just gonna show you 2, okay? So the first one that I'm showing you today is the one that is called Campus 4. This one here, there is a private toilet and bathroom, private kitchen, and 4 beds. One of the best things that I would like to highlight here for you guys is that all the bills are included on the price that you pay on a weekly basis. So our second room that we're gonna show you, it's called Studio, okay? This room has a private small kitchen area, private bathroom and toilet as well, and 2 single beds. So if you have a friend, you're more than welcome to stay here. Alright, so you're probably thinking, okay, Gabby, you showed me the rooms, but where would I prepare my meals for the whole week? Awesome. Here, you prepare your meals at the kitchen, at the common area. Come with me. Look how spacious this is. This is a fully equipped kitchen which students, they can have access all the time. There are 7 kitchens here in the building where students, they can easily use and move around. You don't need to book anything, you don't need to pay anything. Again, you just need to bring your ingredients and cook and prepare your meals. I'm very happy to mention that Stanley College comes over here to Campus Perth on a monthly basis to prepare a masterclass. This is very easy for the students and something very different as well and unique, because you'll be learning how to cook something different. And then students, they don't need to pay anything, they just book at the reception and attend the classes. So that's it everybody, I hope you enjoy the campus tour here at Campus Perth. So just as a friendly reminder, Campus Perth is located right in the CBD area. Please feel free to follow us or follow them on the social media, or go on their website and then have a chat with them. Alright, that's it. I hope to see you soon. I'm gonna finish the video here playing some piano that I'm quite good on that. Bye!